On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and in this step I'm going to show you how to put the copper foil tape onto your cut, ground, and cleaned pattern pieces. Okay, this is your copper foil tape, and it's sticky on one side, copper on the other side. The solder is going to stick to this tape, which is why you have to wrap each piece. You center the foil onto the glass. It's going to appear and seem like it's really, really narrow, and it is. So anyway, do your best. Watch one side of the glass and wrap it. Look at both sides periodically to make sure that you're centered, but just watch one side. You're going to go cross-eyed. So put it on there. Try to not touch the sticky tape because it won't be so sticky. Okay, trim it. It's going to look like that. So on the next step that you want to do with this, you want to do what's called burnishing, or you want to push this copper foil tape down to make sure it sticks. So after you do that, crimp it, and on the next step, I'm going to show you what to do from there. So check it out.